In a beautiful forest, there is a little rabbit named Betty. It is a lively and lovely little rabbit, but it has a wish. That is to make a true friend. He would search the forest every day, but I always feel lonely. One day, Betty met a little squirrel named Oliver. Oliver is also looking for a friend. They quickly became close friends. They play together, share food, always support each other no matter what. Then a cold winter came. The forest was covered in thick snow. Betty and Oliver find that food has become scarce. All the other animals are struggling to find food. They decided to help their friends. Betty and Oliver began to collect pine cones and nuts, put them in a special place for other animals to share. Their friendship and kindness spread to other animals. They also begin to share their food. However, winters become more severe. Food is still scarce. Betty and Oliver decide to leave the forest, head to nearby villages to find more food. They were determined that no one should starve. In the village, they met a charitable farmer. He gave them some vegetables and grains. They came back with a lot. Share food with friends in the forest. With the coming of spring, food becomes abundant. The animals in the forest were very grateful. Betty and Oliver's friendship also grows stronger. They know they will never be alone. This story tells us the importance of friendship and kindness, no matter when it's hard. In happy times, Betty and Oliver's friendship became a model in the forest, forever engraved in the hearts of every animal.